Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1968 Camaro convertible. This car evidently freshly restored very recently. We're selling it for an estate in San Diego. This car is really just as pretty underneath as it is on top. The body is absolutely laser straight. Has the cowl induction hood. Interior's all new. I think it's vinyl, but it's a really good vinyl quality. It's badged as an SS, but I don't believe it is. It has the tachometer, the clock, which I believe is right, at least twice a day anyway. Has the console with the gauges. Really beautiful car. It's power front disc brakes, rear drum. I'm told it's a 400 cubic inch engine. Has the correct wheels. It's SS trim, but I don't think it's a real SS. So under the hood is impeccable. Clean as a pin. Chevy V8 with headers, new power booster, new master cylinder, power steering, all very neat and clean. Huge capacity, aluminum radiator. Firewall's nice and clean. The heat is connected. Looks like a new fuel pump, looks like a new starter, looks like a new engine. So the cowl induction actually is very helpful to the engine. It sucks in cool air. Very nice car. It's a convertible top. I have photos of it up. It's new glass. It's a manual. It's not power, which is a little unusual. It's one of the few manual ones I've ever seen, but it's actually it's actually easier than the power. So this has all been restored freshly. Has these those are like shock absorbers, or they put them on convertibles. They're like vibration dampers, I should call it. Paint is excellent. These are painted stripes. You don't feel anything. Paint is really dynamite on this car. Underneath, it looks all new. New fuel tank, looks like new dual exhaust. Little overspray, that's typical. Seat belts. Doors open and shut. The door hinges are new, or new pins, whatever they do. It feels like brand new. The ventilation fans work. I had it on earlier. Wipers work. So one of the these are the original keys. And this car was driven up here yesterday by somebody helping the estate. And, you know, it's a 2-hour freeway drive, and what that tells me is that the car is reliable. So it drives out excellent. Drives out great. Speedo works. I believe the gauges work. just right straight down the road. Stops nice and straight. Really good brake pedal, nice and high. No surprises. Idles very nice. Has a updated sound system. I believe it's Bluetooth capable. What a nice, easy driving, comfortable, safe, predictable, old school ride. I love it. So the interior is really nice. So wow, it stops really good. Really good. It stops as good as any modern car, better than most, to be honest with you. Goes right in reverse. There's no driveline clink, which means it's been freshly, like U-joints or something, are all new. So let's review. It's a 68 Camaro, California title, clean title. You can go to our website, lagunaclassiccars.com, for pricing, financing. It's lagunaclassiccars.com. Thanks very much. Let me know how we can earn your business.